Hi friends, thanks for coming back on this channel for a new adventurous video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. See, my fans follow me wherever I go. So in this video, we are going to explore the world's longest ladder, which is located in JAIS mountain range, RAS Al KHAIMAH. It costs you only 40 AED per person, but the irony is going there from Sharjah costs you 3 times more. After taking the JAIS exit, your ride becomes more and more interesting as it takes you to the world's longest zip line through the mountains. Since we have covered a special video for the zip line, in this video we will focus on the JAIS ladder. I have started my camera to shoot myself, but then suddenly I heard someone screaming while coming down and my curiosity just got doubled. So let me take you all through this ride. Keep watching. We got the basic information in the beginning where we bought our tickets, where they told us the maximum speed will be 40 km per hour. But we were like, only 40 km per hour, then it will be boring. But after that, our definition for the 40 km per hour speed has got completely changed. While I was going towards the top, I heard everybody screaming loudly while they were coming down. And being from a middle class Indian family, you get thoughts like, what if my trolley derails? What if my seat belt breaks? What if some power interruption happens and the brake fails? But then I decided to shift my focus on enjoying the ride. A small request to all my viewers, if you like the video, please press the like button, and if you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe the channel. It will boost our motivation. Well, this was the last platform before the ride starts becoming interesting, where they give instructions on how to apply brake. At first, I got shocked as they were giving us this information so late. But when the ride started, within first second, I got to know why they have informed us this so late. Throughout the ride, we have used only brakes and brakes instead of our brains. Our experience of this ladder ride was totally unexpected and surprising. We really loved it. While going back towards our home, we found 2 guys screaming very loudly and flying over us, and that was world's longest zip line. We found it very exciting, so we went to check the tickets, but the tickets were full for that day. So we got the ticket for the next day and we went there on the next day to try the world's longest zip line. You will find this video link in the description also and in the end screen also. Please watch that also. Thank you for watching.